guys, this is going to be a quick tutorial on how I get my slick back ponytail with super thick 4C hair. So right now I am using my Revlon blow dryer. I don't remember how much it cost. All I know is it works super well for my hair, but I do need to start blow drying when my hair is really damp and not any other kind of way, just because the bristles aren't like wide tooth combs or anything like that. So I'd rather do it damp so I can get the most out of my blow dry. So with this, I usually do it in 4 sections, but because I did a quick wash and condition, whatever I'm trying to say, it didn't really take me that long, so this is why I'm doing it in 2 sections instead of 4. And as you can see, I'm quite done. It took me about 10-15 minutes to blow dry my hair, when with a brush and a regular blow dryer it would take me like 30 minutes plus crying and arm spasms. So I'm super glad about that. And here I am sectioning out my hair and using the red gummy wax in Ultra Hold. And the way I find it is doing it in smaller sections helps so much with keeping it flat and just getting all the product throughout my hair like just super flat. So I do it in sections, and in that section I split the section in 2 so I get the most out of my gel. And I don't use too much, I just use a lot at the base, so when I comb it out it gets throughout all of the strands of hair. Look at me trying to sound smart and I'm butchering everything. So once I comb all that through, that's when I start to pack everything into a hair tie. And I've added a little bit more gel at the back just because that part was a little bit neglected. And then once the back is done, which doesn't take me long at all, I brush out my edges and then I section my hair in 3. And then I do the sides first and split that section into 2. And then here you see me combing it back and just making sure everything's cool. But I don't tie it into a section until everything's gelled down. So yeah, I use my fingers to brush out my edges just because I don't want to use anything harsh. And then I do the same on the other side. I would usually use a thick bristle brush like the ones that guys use to get their waves, but couldn't find that, so this small tooth comb worked really well. And then my camera cut out, but now that everything's gelled back, I do my edges. And I use Eco Styler gel first and then the gummy wax just to hold everything in place. And I find that using Eco Styler first and then the gummy wax helps with my edges like last throughout the day and even 4 days. Not 4 days, but like for days at a time. And then I already braided my braiding hair. I got some pre-stretched hair. You can get any kind of braiding hair, just make sure it's pre-stretched unless you want to stretch it yourself. But I braided it first, got my own little ponytail holder, tied it together, braided it down, and then I attached it to my hair. And I'll explain more now because I'm taking off my scarf and whatnot, but basically I tie it to my ponytail, I make a bun, and then I use 1 bobby pin. I don't want to use too many, just to cover up any hair that I feel that may be seen, but I do a check at the back like here right now, and you see my hair's not showing, and I'm good. And usually if I see any like white cast at the top, I'll go over it with Eco Styler gel just to like eliminate that. But there you have it. This is my quick new go-to style and how I get my hair, which is really thick 4C. slicked all the way down. Thanks for watching.